was like YouTuber's first video. Well, I meant to say video my sister's in because I fixed it. It was broken, but now I fixed it. So, new walking is just cut from Doris Corey Works, and there's got one of these that I found my mom's closet from a long time ago, and it has this pine pole. It's got all of these. Everybody's right back at its poles. So it's stuck the light. It's like to three-way. And now the wavelengths, well not wavelengths, flames of fortune at the places that goes low, high, so don't have medium. So it's their own way. Separate tablet noise on that. I can't control that. I do like a longer video on my phone market. Goes on see through my phone because picture. Shows one of the highs. Way wobbly. Another high. Your fingers gonna go crazy. You're very secretly.
At Domino's, delivery is kind of our thing. We even made a car for it. So when you get detailed stuff,
Gary.
mix and match items delivered for just $5.99 each, you can trust we'll do our thing to get you your things. Because we know a thing or two about delivery at Domino's.
Well, first high. And last high. How about doing goodbyes?